And you forever will be, and I will love you so for always. Hi, Ma'am Jen, Maricel, Adonis, Ednador, Ma'am Renita, hello po, happy lunch. What if I never knew? What if I never found you? Hey, hello.
Baka ikaw na ang 1 in 2 adults na may high cholesterol. Help lower it with the Monte Heart Smart.
Hello po. Hi, Ma'am Joanne. Hi, Jane. Hi, Shan.